Today we're making magwinya. This is the most popular recipe, but I'm putting a twist on it. We're going to be stuffing them before deep frying them. The very first thing you're going to do, grab your flour, our sugar, 5 grams of yeast in there. And now the trick with the water is not to add too much. And this is all about texture and feel. The reason you need doughs that have yeast in them, which are bread doughs and what we're doing today, is to build elasticity in the gluten. Flour has gluten in it, but the gluten has to be activated. Into your bowl, cling wrap. And there's our dough. It is double in size. First thing you want to do is get your oil going. You need to use this much oil because you want your magwinya to actually float in the oil. You don't want them to be sitting. Go to the side of your bowl, grab some of your dough, just flatten it slightly. And we're going to grab some of our cheese, and it goes into the middle of your guinya, and fold the dough around it. You want to make sure it's a tight fold. You don't want the oil to get into the middle and make your guinya pop. And once you've pinched it shut, see that it's pinched, roll it into a ball. With the metal spoon, just gently turn them onto the other side. So this one is ready. Oh, look at that. And what is there more to say? Just happiness. Memories of the cold winter days as a kid in Soweto.